Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the GEEKOM IT15, the most powerful AI mini PC, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You guys, have you ever found yourself scrolling through YouTube reviews of mini PCs just wondering, can these tiny computers really deliver? Can they handle all those demanding tasks without overheating or freezing up on me? Well, today we're putting the GEEKOM IT15 to the test, and I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with you. This thing packs some serious power in its compact frame, making it perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, portable workstation. For those new to this channel, we focus on reviewing the best products on Amazon so you can make informed purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. And trust me, after years of research and testing, I've learned what makes a great product. So let's dive into the GEEKOM IT15 and see if it lives up to its promise. So who is this for? The GEEKOM IT15 is perfect for anyone looking for a powerful, portable workstation that can handle demanding tasks like video editing, coding, and multitasking. Whether you're a pro content creator or just someone who needs a reliable laptop for work, this little guy has got your back. What's exciting about the GEEKOM IT15 is its ability to deliver professional-grade performance in a tiny package. I mean, we all know that size doesn't matter when it comes to power, but this thing proves that even the smallest computers can pack a punch. One of my favorite features of the GEEKOM IT15 has got to be its advanced cooling system. I was skeptical at first, wondering how they could possibly fit a high-performance CPU and GPU into such a small space without overheating. But after putting it through some tough tests, I can confidently say that this thing stays cool under pressure. In fact, the IT15's cooling system is so effective that you can run demanding tasks like Adobe Premiere Pro or Blender without breaking a sweat. And with its high-speed fan and copper heat pipes, you get quiet performance too. We're talking under 35 dB levels of noise pollution here, which is perfect for those who work or live in noisy environments. But what really sets the GEEKOM IT15 apart from other mini PCs on the market is its ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. I'm talking about 50+ concurrent creative tasks seamlessly. That's right, this thing can multitask like a pro. Whether you're editing video, coding, or running simulations, the IT15 delivers reliable performance every time. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported issues with the IT15's Wi-Fi connectivity, although GEEKOM has addressed these concerns through firmware updates. Additionally, the IT15's battery life could be longer, but overall, this thing still delivers impressive endurance for a mini PC its size. Now that we've covered some of the key features and benefits of the GEEKOM IT15, it's time to talk about real-world performance. How does it handle day-to-day tasks? Can it keep up with my expectations? To be honest, I was blown away by the IT15's performance in real-world scenarios. Whether I'm editing video, coding, or running simulations, this thing delivers reliable, smooth performance that's comparable to full-sized workstations. But what really impresses me is how well the IT15 handles multitasking. This thing can handle multiple tasks simultaneously with ease, making it perfect for anyone who needs a portable workstation that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. So, is the GEEKOM IT15 worth buying? In my opinion, if you're looking for a powerful, portable workstation that can handle demanding tasks without breaking the bank, then this is the product for you. It's perfect for content creators, developers, and anyone who needs a reliable laptop on the go. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. And if you're interested in picking up the GEEKOM IT15 for yourself, be sure to check out the link below in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.